So this is for a science experiment. You need a big glass bowl, some clear, warm tap water. Make sure it's warm, not hot. Warm. And also some dyed ice cubes. And we are experimenting for what will happen when we drop the cube in the water. Convection is the circular heat transfer. I think that the food coloring color will expand through the water as it melts. If you're not strong enough, you need to get a grown-up. It will slowly melt, turning pink, because since the ice is made of frozen water, when it melts, it will just go with the other water, still being dyed, but it will just mix and make the other water pink.
You can see these currents going down. It's cold. This is warm water.
It's like the color is going up, but the things are going down. And it's also shrinking, and it is shrinking like this is what it looks like.
You can see the currents are going down. This is all cold water. It's going down.
It's like a cool heat transfer. The ice is touching me and I just love it. It's like the ice just melted. Oh, it's out there. And it has melted. So we are going to pour this super extremely hot green water in this cold tap water. It's for the thing of convection. For the science of convection experiment.
So let's see what happens.
Yeah, make sure that when you carry it, do not touch the green or whatever color you do.
How's the watercolor temperature, I mean?
It's like the other one. It's
warm?
It's hot. It changed the cold to hot and then added some hot. So we are pouring this hot into the cold. It goes bottom to top. Now I noticed that it goes bottom to top. So now we will hot blue water in and then drop a pink ice cube. It doesn't matter what color you pick as long as they are super different colors. I think that it will get whatever color pink and blue makes together, like some sort of purple or something, because red and white is pink, and red and blue is pink, and blue should make like a light purple. Let's find out. Back in. It's totally a dark purple now. But there are some light purple circles. How does that make any sense? Did it fully melt? It fully melted. Even though it might look blue to you guys, it is actually purple. I think he swears purple. I really hope you enjoyed watching all of these 3 experiments. I really think you should try these at home. And the experiments show the heat transfer of convection. And let me know what science experiments you want me to try out next. Comment down below.